Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. Welcome to kitchenwithnabila.com. The article of this video is available on my website. You can visit my website. The website link is in the description. And welcome back to my YouTube channel and other videos. So today I am making vanilla wafers cookies. So first of all, I have all the equipment to make vanilla wafers cookies. First, I broke 3 eggs in a bowl. First of all, I will mix the eggs well. I am putting a cup of sugar powder in it. Now we will mix it well. Now we will put a cup of butter in it. I will mix the butter well in the eggs. I am adding a teaspoon of vanilla flavor. I will mix it well in the egg mixture. I have half a bowl of flour. I am adding a teaspoon of baking powder and teaspoon of salt. I will mix it well in the flour. Now I am putting the flour in the egg mixture to make a batter of vanilla wafers cookies. I will mix it well. Now I am putting about 2 tablespoons of cooking oil in it. Mix the cooking oil well. We have to make a batter of vanilla wafers cookies well. Not too thin, not too thick. We just have to get it ready. I am putting a teaspoon of yellow color in it. Adding it well make the color of cookies very nice and will also make the food very tasty. I will mix well. So the batter of vanilla wafers cookies from Mashallah is well prepared and this color is also very good. I put a non-stick pan on the stove and put a stand in it. I will cover it on low heat for 5 minutes so that it will steam. Now I am pouring vanilla wafers cookies into the batter to make vanilla wafers cookies. I have taken a tray in a plastic material. I have put a piece of paper on it and I will apply a little bit of oil on it. Now I am going to make medium sized vanilla wafers cookies on top of it. So that's how we make all the vanilla wafers cookies. So here's all vanilla wafer cookies ready. Now we will cook it. What I used to stand in a non-stick pan for 5 minutes is now steamed. And now I put the cookies tray in the pan. Now I am heating the stove. I will cover it and let it cook on low heat for about 25 minutes. The vanilla wafer cookies have a light brown color and are well cooked. Now I will remove the lid from it. So mashallah, how many of these cookies have been prepared, and they should have a light brown color. In the same way, I will prepare the rest of the cookies in the same way. Once the vanilla wafer cookies are ready, I will keep it for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes or 2 days, vanilla wafer cookies recipe is ready from mashallah. You will definitely try it too. Inshallah, you will like this recipe very much. And how did you like today's video? You must tell me in the comment section. Like, share the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching this video. You will definitely wait for my next video, and remember me in my prayers. Allah Hafiz.